Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to connect GoodNotes to Google Drive in 2026. Do you want to store your notes safely on Google Drive? Connecting GoodNotes makes backups easy and secure. And here's how to do it just by following these few simple steps. But before we start, here's a quick guide on how to download the GoodNotes app and the Google Drive app. You can download the Google Notes app via the Play Store or App Store depending on which device you're using. Once you click on it, you're gonna make sure to click on download and wait for the installation to be completed. Then you're gonna launch the app. You can alternatively download the Google Notes Drive application if you haven't already. And you're gonna open the application. And make sure you sign in with your account, your Google account. Use your Google account to sign in. You can do that by clicking on your account here. And as you can see, it says account settings. You're gonna click on it. And it says your account linked via Google. So you're gonna make sure your account is linked via Google. Now after that, you're gonna find the backup or cloud storage section. Here, as you can see, there are a lot of options that aren't available in the free version. So you might want to upgrade to the premium version of the GoodNotes application. Now once you do it, you can share your documents. They're uploaded here. You can access them via any device. Now, to be able to save them in the Google Drive, you're gonna click on your documents. It says normally it's automatically saved, but you can also click on the export button here. You can click on here. It's like this. Click on the export button or the share button. Then you're gonna select to export it as a PDF. Once you download the PDF, you're gonna go to Google Drive and then you're gonna upload that PDF into Google Drive. Now connecting the Google Drive keeps your notes safe and accessible, set up to protect your work. And if you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.